In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Hostinger website builder in just 5 minutes. First, let's start by opening up your web browser and heading over to Hostinger's official website. You can simply type Hostinger into the search bar, which brings you directly to their homepage. Once you're on the main page, you'll notice a prominently placed Login button on the upper right corner. Click on it to proceed. If you already have an account with Hostinger, just input your credentials and log in. Otherwise, you'll need to create an account first, which is a straightforward process. Now that you're logged into the Hostinger platform, you'll find yourself in their main dashboard area. This is where all the magic happens. Next, direct your attention to the top left part of your screen, where you will see the Home option. Click on it and it will take you to another section of the Hostinger control panel, which is known as hPanel. This is the versatile and intuitive panel Hostinger uses to manage your websites and hosting services. From there, locate and click on the Websites section. This is essentially your hub for all things related to site management. When you click on Websites, you'll be presented with a list of your existing websites if you have any. Beneath that, there's an Add Website button that stands out quite clearly. Clicking this button is your key to starting the website building process. Once you've clicked to add a new website, you will encounter several options for ways to set it up. Here you want to select the Hostinger website builder option. This choice provides you with access to a very user-friendly, drag and drop interface that allows you to build a professional looking website quickly, without the need for any coding knowledge. As you delve into the website builder, you'll notice a variety of templates and layouts that you can choose from. These are designed to suit various types of businesses and personal projects, making it easy for you to set up a site that matches your vision. Don't hesitate to explore the different themes and test how the various widgets and elements work within your chosen template. Feel free to customize your site further by changing colors, fonts, and uploading your own images to make the website truly your own. The Hostinger website builder also includes handy features like SEO tools, which can help your website perform better in search engine rankings. At this point, you are ready to publish your website with just a click of a button and share it with the world. And there you have it, you've successfully used the Hostinger website builder to create your very own site. All it takes is a few steps in their intuitive platform and you are ready to go live. Thank you for following along, and happy building.